G'day. Alright guys, welcome back. Finally back on two wheels again. Feels like forever since I've been on a ride, but it's only really been a week, but still shitty weather, but saw an opening, little bit of blue sky. It's like, well, fuck it, I'm jumping on. Alright, so I wanted to talk to you guys about removing tank badges, the Harley emblem, off the fuel tank. So I decided to do it, so check it out. Alright guys, so I wheeled the bike up the shed last week and decided to pull the Harley badges off the fuel tank. I'm sure you know what they look like, but here's a before. Ching. And while I was doing my research and just checking out what the best way to do it on YouTube, of course, because that's where you go for information, I stumbled across, well, there was two most common or popular ways to do it. So I thought, righto, I'm going to do both of them, different one on each side, and I might as well do a video and show you which one is the preferred or better way to get the badges off. Now in saying that guys, I did film both ways, but I really don't see the point of showing you a worse way to do it than the better way. So I'm just going to scrap that shit out and show you the best way, or the easiest way for me to remove the tank badges. So we'll cut back to the shed, and if you're going to do it, I hope this video helps you out. Cheers guys.
Alright guys, so what we're going to do on the other side is the other most popular method to remove tank badges. So let's swing around and check this out. Okay, before we do that, I apologise for the sweatiness. It is extremely hot up here. If you have a look on the thermometer, hang on, if I can get that to read that or not. Hopefully you can see that. Alright guys, so the idea to remove this side is to spray the living shit out of it with your WD-40 or your Inox or your whatever your spray of choice is. Try and soak up that glue a little bit, heat the shit out of it with the heat gun before you hit it with the fishing line, and apparently that will remove more of the backing glue, which would be a massive bonus. So let's give that a crack. So you need a little bit of this, and you need a little bit of this. Now it actually already feels a little bit looser. You can just grab it. So I'll get the fishing line, rip it off, and see how much glue's left. So hang on for this. I've got positive vibes about this method, so hang on. Wow, that is a hell of a lot better than the other side. Have a go at that, guys. Is that going to focus? Let's have a look at the tank. Alright, we'll have a look at that. Already, that is a massive improvement of what we had on the other side, you know. Take a shop rag and just wipe that off. Have a look at that. That's the only glue we've got left on this side. So, we know what we got to do. We just got to hit it with some, what do you call that shit? Wax and grease remover. And we'll, oh, look at that. That's just coming off. Okay, we have a sure winner on this side, guys. Without a doubt. We'll get stuck into it, clean it up, and then we'll go from there. All done. Woohoo! Have a go at that. That was so much easier. No sticky shit left on there at all. Oh my god, I wish I would have done that the first time. Guys, that is without a doubt the best way to remove your tank badges off any motorcycle. Doesn't have to be a Harley Davidson, but this one is, for argument's sake. But we did it the hard way on this side. We did it the easy way on the other side. Hopefully, if you're going to go through this, remember these steps. Do not fucking do it the first way I said. Hopefully you watch through the whole video to fucking get the right tip out of this. Spray the shit out of that badge. I'm trying not to swear as much, so spray the hell out of that badge before you get carried away. WD-40, inox, whatever. Wax and grease remover. If you could like just, I don't know, get that in there somehow. That seems to be the shit that works the best. But you want that shit everywhere. Then you want to heat it up with a heat gun or flamethrower or whatever you're keen on using. Just remember it's fuel tank, so don't get carried away. Keep spraying the shit out of it. You want to get that glue hot but moist, and that spray, whatever you choose, is gonna start eating away that sticky layer. Then get your fishing line, whether you chose braid or mono, whatever. I don't think it'll really matter. It's not going to scratch your paint, but get that in there, saw through that shit, and hopefully you're left with a little bit of sticky glue shit. Get your wax and grease remover. That is the #1 tip that you should remember. Wax and grease remover for the win. Rub that shit on with a shop cloth or a clean rag, microfiber, whatever, and you're golden. So hopefully that helps you out, guys. I'm glad I did this because I was always curious how to get them badges off. So now we've done it. Yay, time to have a beer. I'll catch you on the next one. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel. If you haven't already, headbutt that subscribe button, and I'll catch you next time, mate. See ya!